Hi, I'm Scott and I run the Low Technology Institute. Our mission is to think about how we're going to live when fossil fuels aren't available. Have you ever thought about building a truly sustainable house? We think that if you source almost all your materials locally, you can't help but build in a way that is eco-friendly. We develop what we call the 10-Mile Building Challenge to encourage people to think about how to build sustainably when we can't just produce and import high-tech materials. Next year, we're trying this challenge ourselves. In the summer of 2022, we led a free series of workshops on timber framing. Over a dozen students helped us build a garden shed designed for composting and tool storage. In the summer of 2023, we're going to be building a tiny house from scratch, and you can follow along online or even join us in person. Each week, we'll be putting out a new episode showing the materials, techniques, and considerations behind building a house with locally available materials. We're offering the entire build as workshops. For those interested in felling and dressing timbers in the spring, putting together timber framing joints and assembling the building throughout the summer, and roofing masonry and traditional plaster, solar power, and other systems in the fall, we're going to build the entire house with materials coming from an average of less than 10 miles away. We're felling trees on our neighbor's property, we're dressing some trees on site by hand and bringing others to a sawmill on a neighbor's property. We're cutting oak shingles, using local clay for wall fill, scrounging used bricks, and collecting field stones. While some items must be bought in, on average, materials will be sourced from within 10 miles under our 10-Mile Building Challenge rubric. This short video is to showcase some of the footage we captured on our small build in 2022. Subscribe to our YouTube page to follow along. We're also making a list of folks interested in the workshops. Head over to lowtechinstitute.org/tinyhouse to get on our email list. We're also looking for communications or film students interested in working with us on our weekly video series. And finally, we can't do experimental work like this without your support. Please consider becoming a patron for as little as $3 a month at patreon.com/lowtechinstitute. Also, we are a 501c3 nonprofit organization and do accept support from institutional donors and funders. Please do send us an email at info@lowtechinstitute.org to get in touch.